Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to evaluate the expression for a specific value of a variable. So in first question we are going to evaluate expression 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 4. So what we will do is we will substitute the value x is equal to 4 into this expression. So 3 times 4. There is no sign between 3 and x, so we will consider multiplication. So 3 times 4 plus 5 as it is. Now 3 times 4 is 12 and plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. So the value of this expression 3x plus 5 for the variable x is equal to 4 is 17. Now let us see the second question. We want to evaluate 5y minus 7 for y is equal to minus 2. So substitute y is equal to minus 2 into this expression. So we will have 5 times, since we have the negative value, we will write it in the parenthesis. So 5 times minus 2 minus 7 as it is. Now 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 minus 7. Now minus 10 minus 7 is minus 17. So the value of expression 5y minus 7 for the variable y is equal to minus 2 is minus 17. Now let us see two more questions with two variables. We have an expression 2x plus 4y in which we have two variables x and y. We want to evaluate it for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So let us substitute the values. So we will have 2 times x is 3, so 3 plus 4 times 2 because y is 2. Now 2 times 3 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So the value of this expression 2x plus 4y is 14. Now let us evaluate the value of this expression for x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So let us substitute the values. X is 6 divided by 2 plus y is 3 divided by 3 as it is and minus 4 also as it is. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 and minus 4 as it is. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 4 which is 0. So the value of this expression for the variable x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3 is 0. Hope this video will help you with how to evaluate the expressions.